Three aircraft, each intended for dramatically different military roles. The AH-1J Cobra, a high-performance attack helicopter. The A-4 Skyhawk, a lightweight attack and ground support aircraft. The OV-10 Bronco, a very effective light-armed reconnaissance aircraft. Yet, as different as these aircraft are, they share one element of commonality: the ability to carry the GPU-2A 20mm lightweight gun pod. Developed to meet a multiplicity of applications, the GPU-2A lightweight gun pod is the culmination of GE's 15 years of experience in making high rate of fire gun pods. The GPU-2A is a lightweight, self-contained gun pod featuring proven, reliable hardware. Designed to be user-oriented, this gun pod is easy to load, maintain, and operate. The GPU-2A lightweight pod is comprised of four main sections. The forward fairing is an aerodynamic shell covering the gun barrels. The gun support section forms the structural backbone of the gun pod system. It includes mounts for the M197 gun, an ammunition conveyor, and standard 14-inch lugs for mounting the pod on a suitable aircraft rack. The linkless ammunition storage drum holds 300 rounds of 20mm M50 series ammunition. Its outer structure is made of an aluminum honeycomb sandwich. The aft fairing assembly covers the pod electrical controls and power supply. The GPU-2A utilizes a linkless ammunition feed system, which significantly increases gun system reliability over linked systems. The ammunition drum assembly consists of a rotating inner drum with radial partitions located along its longitudinal axis. M50 series 20mm ammunition is held between these partitions. The fixed outer drum contains an integral stationary helix. Rotation of the inner drum feeds rounds forward through the outer helix. An exit unit with a sprocket assembly transfers the rounds to the conveyor wheel. The conveyor wheel moves the rounds to a single sprocket assembly in the pickoff unit. The pickoff unit, in turn, transfers the rounds to the gun feeder assembly. The feeder assembly contains sprockets and guides which accelerate the round to match the pitch of the M197 gun. A single electric motor drives the M197 gun and linkless ammunition feed system. Performing a dual function, the feeder and conveyor assemblies not only feed rounds from the ammunition drum to the gun, but also serve as the drive train to rotate the inner drum. This dual function feature significantly reduces the weight and space required by the feed system and drum drive train. The GPU-2A carries the M197 lightweight Vulcan. This gun is a 3-barrel lightweight version of the M61A1 Vulcan. Working on the Gatling principle, the M197 in the GPU-2A fires at selectable rates of 750 or 1,500 shots per minute. Currently under development is a pneumatic drive which will give the GPU-2A firing rates of 750, 1,500, and 3,000 shots per minute. Extremely lightweight as compared to other 20mm gun pods, the GPU-2A weighs less than 600 pounds when fully loaded with 300 rounds of ammunition. Because of its lightweight, the GPU-2A is readily mounted to its aircraft. Mounting can easily be accomplished by hand when lifting equipment is unavailable. The GPU-2A is a completely self-contained gun pod. Only simple trigger and firing rate interconnections are necessary with the aircraft. If sufficient aircraft power exists, the gun drive batteries may be trickle charged to keep them at full power. Otherwise, the battery contains sufficient energy to fire 3 complete complements of ammunition before recharging. The GPU-2A can be easily loaded and downloaded on or off its carrying aircraft. For loading, the aft fairing is rotated out of the way. A separate ground support loader mechanism is attached to the aft cover lugs with quick release pins. Linked 20mm ammunition is then inserted into the loader. By using a ratchet drive wrench, ammunition is drawn into the loading mechanism, delinked, and inserted into the storage drum. The loader is also capable of unloading the drum and relinking the ammunition by reversing this operation. Complete loading of an empty drum takes less than 10 minutes. Easy to maintain even while on its aircraft, the GPU-2A offers accessibility to all major components either through removable fairings or access doors. By removing the front fairing, the gun barrels can be changed within 2 minutes. All gun control electronics are accessible by rotating the aft fairing and removing 2 compartment covers. A welded steel container with integral cradle is available for shipping and storage of a lightweight pod. The GPU-2A is currently qualified for use on a number of combat aircraft, including the U.S. Marine Corps' A-4 Close Support Attack Aircraft. The U.S. Marines and Iranian Armed Forces AH-1J Cobra helicopters. The U.S. Marine Corps' OB-10 Bronco light reconnaissance airplane